A first-year student races through a rain-soaked campus to an improv night that turns strangers into a family. They explore the student union, gym, and quiet lounges, showing how each space supports different moods and goals. They share a real struggle balancing a big group project with a part-time job, offering time blocking and honest check-ins. A veteran mentor recalls helping peers register for classes and join campus events, stressing early planning and reaching out. The finale offers practical lessons for newcomers and veterans alike, urging curiosity, testing limits, and spreading kindness.